Jerry.
According to the Environmental Protection Agency, radon is the second highest cause of lung cancer in the United States.
There are steps we can take to protect ourselves and our families, but too few of us are taking the action that's needed. Here's Carolyn Clifford.
When we hear that someone has lung cancer, one of the first things that comes to mind is whether that person ever smoked. We seldom make a mental connection between lung cancer and radon, and that may be a big mistake. Radon is an unwelcome predator in the neighborhoods of southeastern Michigan. It sneaks into homes while no one is watching. Radon doesn't break through the front door. It creeps in through cracks and crevices in basement walls. Even sump pumps provide an entry point. And once radon slips into your home, it can cause illness, even death. When uranium breaks down in soil like this, or rock or water, it forms radon gas. Now, we can't see it, we can't smell it, and what's worse,
it's not something you really think about.
Alexandra El-Siri has lived in this Ann Arbor area tri-level for 15 years. But it wasn't until she and her husband considered selling the home that she had the radon level tested.
We didn't know till we had an inspection that our level was not acceptable.
The level in this house was 10 picocurries per liter. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, an acceptable limit is 4 or less.
About 21,000 people a year die from lung cancer needlessly because of their radon exposure.
Dr. Michael Harbert specializes in environmental medicine at the Karmanos Cancer Institute.
Radon is a real concern. All you have to do is look at the map.
And here's the map. The counties in red are considered Zone 1. These are high potential areas where the predicted average indoor radon level is higher than 4. It includes Washtenaw County, where Alexandra lives. Zone 2 is moderate potential, with a predicted average between 2 and 4. It includes Oakland and Livingston counties. The green areas, including Wayne and Macomb counties, have the lowest average reading. But just last month, the World Health Organization released new limits on radon exposure. This international group now wants homeowners to take action, not at 4 picocurries, but at 2.7. So no one can really assume they're safe in their home unless the actual air is tested. And that usually doesn't happen until a home goes on the market.
And I'm finding right now probably 30 to 40% of our transactions that we're dealing with some kind of radon remediation.
Realtor Martin Bouma says it's an important issue.
As an agent, I would always recommend it that my purchaser test for radon, especially because it's easily remediated.
And easily measured. Detection kits are available from county health departments and hardware stores. They can cost you as little as $10. You place the tester on the lowest lived-in area of your home, and after a few days or weeks, send it away for analysis.
We're basically looking for openings on the side of the house.
There are enough dangerous readings to keep people like Kurt Hudgens busy. He's the president of ProTech Environmental Services, a company that installs systems to get rid of radon.
Average system installation takes generally 2 to 3 hours to do a complete installation, and average cost is about $800.
What companies do is cut a hole in the floor of your basement.
We've dug out and taken out about a 5-gallon pail of soil from below the floor to create a pit there to create a vacuum.
That vacuum sucks out the radon-filled air from beneath the house.
This is the pipe that comes into the basement, and it goes down directly through the concrete floor.
Then sends it up a pipe and through the wall of the house. A fan on the outside blows the radon above roof level.
So we're depressurizing the soil below the basement floor to capture the gas before it has a chance to enter the home.
Alexandra had her system installed earlier this week. She's happy. She's now cleared the air.
We're glad we did it and found out our level was high so we could take care of it.
No matter where you live, you should have your home tested. Houses with high radon levels have been found in all areas. It's especially important for smokers who are at a higher risk of health problems from radon. If you'd like more information on how to test and what to do if your levels are high, make sure you check out our website at WXYZ.com. I'm Carolyn Clifford, Channel 7 Action News.
All right, thank you, Carolyn. And here's a look at what's coming up tomorrow night on Action News at 11.
New at 11. This Detroit business waiting years to get water.
Nobody will even give us a time of day.
Sick of the frustration and the runaround.
Why can't we just get water?
They got 7 on their side for some real results. Friday at 11 on 7 Action News.